Assalamualaikum, dear students. Today we are going to talk about this factorization using identities. You might have come across with the identities like a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Okay, you also know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then there is a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, these identities they already stand discussed in previous video lectures. You can check those lectures. Okay, I have also discussed the applications of these identities while simplification of mathematical problems. Okay, so that means we can apply these identities in simplifying the mathematical questions, mathematical problems. Okay, I have already discussed that in previous lectures. You can check that. Right now, these are some identities. Okay, so using these identities, okay, we can factorize the given expressions, right? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the identity first, this is second identity, and this is third identity. Okay, right, now let's take an example and find out how these identities will gonna help us in factorization of given algebraic expressions. Let's take the example. Example is x. Okay, I'll put a line here in order to separate this from the given example. X square plus 8x plus 16. See, this is a given expression. Okay, we have to factorize this. Okay, we can factorize this expression using identity. See, this is x square. Okay, it means x into x. So that means this x square here, it means x. Okay, when I multiply x with x, it will give rise to x square. So x here is a perfect square. It is perfect square of x, right? Okay, then the 16 is also the perfect square of 4. 4 into 4, that means 4 square. So this is the perfect square of x. This x square is the perfect square of x. Okay, and this 16 is the perfect square of 4. 4 4s are 16. Now you can see that there are three terms: x square plus 8x plus 16. Now in this identity there are only two terms. Okay, a square minus b square. So this identity, okay, will not fit into this algebraic expression. Okay, now these two, a square minus 2ab plus b square, it has got three terms. This again has got three terms. These two, among these two, these identities, one of these two identities will fit into this algebraic expression. Now we have to find out which given identity will fit into this algebraic expression. Okay, so you can see here it is plus here, it is minus here, a square minus. So minus is not anywhere here, right? So that means this expression, this identity, okay, this identity a square plus 2ab plus b square is of the form of this. Okay, we can write down here x square plus 8x plus 16 is of the form of a plus b, is of the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So that means this is of the form of this. Okay, so we can put this x square plus, therefore x square plus 8x plus 16. Okay, we will put it like this: x square means x square plus, so that means, okay, then there is this 16. Okay, so that means here this a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here in this expression, okay, a is equal to x, right? X square, a square, right? And b, this b square is equal to this 16. That means b is equal to 4. 4 4s are 16. So we can write here x square means a square. X square means a square. Then there is 2. 2 into a is equal to x, right, into b means 4 plus 16 means 4 whole square. 4 square is equal to 16, x square is equal to x. Okay, then now x square plus 2x4 plus 4 square. So since a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, okay, so we can say that therefore x square plus 2x4 plus b square is equal to x minus a plus b minus 4 whole square, which is equal to x plus b 4 whole square is equal to x plus 4 2 times, x plus 4 into x plus 4. So these are the factors of this given expression. This is the given expression. Using this identity we were able to find the factors, right, using this identity. Okay, let's take another example. See, this is another example. 4y square minus 12y plus 9. See this given expression, so this is of the form of the second identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Okay, so this identity fits into this identity. Okay, so first we have to find out which expression is of the form of which identity is of the form of this given expression. So therefore solution: 4y square minus 12y plus 9 is of the form of identity second, or we can say again a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square, right, where a is equal to, so this will for this 4y square, it is the perfect square of 2y. 2 2s are 4y into y square, okay, where a is equal to 2y and b is equal to, this is the perfect square of 3 3s are 9, right, 3 is equal to 9. Therefore 4y square minus 12y plus 9 is equal to, okay, so a is equal to 2y whole square, a square minus 2ab means 2, a is equal to 2y into b is equal to 3, then here is plus 9, so b is equal to, so plus b square, that is equal to 3 square. So now this a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. A is equal to 2y minus b is equal to 3 whole square, okay, which can be put like this: 2y minus 3 times 2y minus 3. So these are the factors of this given expression, right? Okay, so this is how we can use the identities while factorizing the given algebraic expression, right? Let's take another example. Okay, this is third example, 49p square minus 36. See, you can see here it has only two terms, so this expression is in the form of third identity. Okay, solution: 49p square minus 36 is of the form of a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, right? So where a is equal to, a is the perfect square, 49 is the perfect square of 7, then p, a is equal to 7p whole square. 7 7s are 49 and p into p is equal to p square, and b is equal to 6 6 are 36. This is the perfect square of 6, right? This is the perfect square of 6 and b is equal to 6. Okay, therefore 49 p square minus 36 is equal to 7p whole square minus 6 whole square. And this is a square minus b square. A square minus b is equal to a minus b into a plus b. A is equal to 7p minus 6 b is equal to 6 minus b into a is equal to 7p plus b is equal to 6. Okay, so these are the factors of this expression, 7p minus 6 times 7p plus 6, right? Okay, now here is a question. We have to factorize this, a square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Okay, so what we have to do is to find the factors of this given expression using those identities, those three identities, right? We know that a square solution, we know that a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole, a square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Okay, so let's concentrate on this part of the expression, a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a minus b whole square, and here remains minus c square, right? Now here we use it using identity, using second identity second. Okay, using identity second. Okay, I'll write it here using identity second. Okay, now here this form one term. Okay, this form one, a minus b whole square minus c square. Say for example, this is a whole, a square minus b square. Okay, you know that now there are only two terms. Okay, one term, second term. So here we can use the third identity. Okay, which says that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this is a square minus b square. So using identity third, this a minus b whole square minus c whole square is equal to, which is equal to a square minus b square is equal to a this first term, a minus b, a plus b minus c into a minus b. A is this first term, this is a minus b minus c, right? Okay, so using identity third, we can get. Okay, so these are the two factors of. Okay, so we can open the brackets, a minus b plus c into a minus b minus c. So these are the possible factors of this expression, right? Okay, so
let's meet in next video lecture, right?
In order to